Welcome back to your favorite automotive review channel, Latest Car Box. Today, we explore one of the most exciting upcoming premium SUVs from China, the 2026 CHERY EXEED RX. This new model is designed to redefine comfort, luxury, performance, and technology in the mid-size SUV class. In this video, we will dive deep into its design, interior features, performance details, safety technologies, expected price, and final verdict. So let's begin. Exterior overview. The 2026 CHERY EXEED RX arrives with a bold and futuristic design language. The front end features a wide signature grille with elegant chrome elements, integrated with sharp LED headlights that create a modern premium look. The sleek lines on the sides and sculpted body panels enhance aerodynamics while giving the SUV a muscular stance. The rear design includes full-width LED tail lights and a sporty bumper for a dynamic appearance. CHERY clearly aimed to deliver a luxury feel while maintaining a strong SUV personality. Interior experience. Inside the cabin, the 2026 EXEED RX offers a sophisticated luxury experience. The dashboard is covered with high-quality soft-touch materials, and the cabin layout is designed with premium craftsmanship. A large dual-screen setup takes center stage, offering digital instrument display and infotainment control. Ambient lighting adds a relaxing environment. The seats are designed with ergonomic contours and come with heating, ventilation, and memory functions. The large panoramic sunroof enhances openness and comfort for all passengers. The interior is built to compete with top-tier premium brands. Technology and features. CHERY has equipped the EXEED RX with cutting-edge technology. It includes an advanced voice assistant, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a high-resolution infotainment system. The SUV also features a premium sound system, intelligent climate control, and multiple driving modes. The digital cockpit provides crystal-clear graphics and responsive interaction. Smart keyless entry, remote engine start, and over-the-air updates ensure that owners always stay connected and up-to-date. Performance and engine options. The 2026 EXEED RX is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged petrol engine and a hybrid version. The turbo engine provides strong acceleration with smooth transmission shifts, while the hybrid model aims for efficiency and lower fuel consumption. The SUV delivers a balanced drive with responsive steering and a refined suspension system. Whether on city roads or long highway journeys, the EXEED RX promises a confident and comfortable driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety remains a strong point for CHERY. The EXEED RX comes with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera support. High-strength body construction and multiple airbags ensure passenger protection. The SUV is designed to meet global safety standards, making it a reliable choice for families and long-distance travelers. Price expectations and final verdict. The expected price of the 2026 CHERY EXEED RX will vary by region, but it aims to offer premium features at an affordable price point. With its modern design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, strong performance, and high safety standards, the EXEED RX stands out as a strong competitor in the mid-size SUV segment. If you're looking for a feature-packed SUV with a premium feel, this new model is worth waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe to Latest Car Box for more upcoming car reviews.